Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into some exciting and juicy details about Google's upcoming Pixel 9 series. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about the next big thing in smartphones, stick around because we've got a lot to unpack. According to recent leaks from the Russian blog RCT, Google is planning to expand its Pixel lineup in a big way. The Pixel 9 series is rumored to include three models: the entry-level Pixel 9, the more compact Pixel 9 Pro, and the larger Pixel 9 Pro XL. This diversification aims to cater to a wider range of users with varying preferences for screen size and features. Let's talk about these leaks in detail. These images were initially discussed by well-known tech sites GSM Arena and The Verge. The leaked photos suggest some significant design changes. Unlike previous Pixel models, which often had a more rounded aesthetic, the Pixel 9 series appears to adopt a flatter back and more angular corners. This gives the phones a more modern and sleek look. One of the most notable design changes is the camera setup. Traditionally, Google has used a camera bar that stretches across the back of the phone. However, the Pixel 9 models seem to feature a horizontally aligned camera array. This shift not only alters the phone's aesthetics, but could also hint at new camera technologies or capabilities. While Google has not officially commented on these leaks, the timing is intriguing. These rumors surfaced just before Google's annual I/O developer conference. At I/O, we're expecting major announcements about Android 15, various AI updates, and more insights into the already anticipated Pixel 8. The I/O conference is always a highlight in the tech calendar. It's a place where Google showcases its latest innovations, particularly in software. This year, artificial intelligence is set to be a central theme, reflecting its growing importance across the tech industry. Since the release of OpenAI's ChatGPT, AI has become a cornerstone of modern technology. Companies like Google are integrating AI into everything from search algorithms to image editing tools. Recently, OpenAI introduced GPT-4, the latest iteration of ChatGPT. This new model is designed for seamless use across text, audio, and video formats, pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. AI's impact on the tech industry cannot be overstated. It's transforming how we interact with our devices, improving efficiency, and enabling new features that were previously unimaginable. At Google's I/O conference and Apple's WWDC event, AI is expected to be a key focus, highlighting its growing role in shaping future technologies. Now, back to the Pixel 9 series. While specific feature details might remain under wraps until later this year, these devices often act as testbeds for new AI innovations. Google typically rolls out these features to the public once they've been fine-tuned through user feedback and real-world usage. So, what kind of AI features might we expect? Imagine advanced camera AI that can recognize and enhance different scenes, more intuitive voice assistants, and smarter integration with Google's suite of services. The possibilities are vast, and if past trends are anything to go by, the Pixel 9 series will likely bring some exciting new capabilities. These leaks also reflect broader market trends. We've seen similar insights from other major players. For instance, Samsung's leaks suggest refinements to the Galaxy Fold 6, focusing on improving durability and user experience. Apple, on the other hand, appears to be gearing up for the iPhone 16 with potential new features and design tweaks. In this competitive landscape, Google's evolving strategy with the Pixel series is crucial. The company is not just focusing on hardware improvements, but also on integrating cutting-edge software, particularly AI, to enhance user experience. This holistic approach helps Google differentiate itself from other brands. To recap, the leaked images of the Pixel 9 series give us a tantalizing glimpse into Google's future plans. With a new design, a revised camera setup, and the potential for groundbreaking AI features, these phones are shaping up to be quite impressive. That's all we have for now on the Pixel 9 leaks. What do you think about the new design and the potential features? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with the latest tech news. Thanks for watching. We discussed these leaks in our previous video. So if you are our old viewer, so to jump to our next video, or if you are new, then stick around because today we're diving into the latest leaks and rumors surrounding the highly anticipated Google Pixel 9 series. Let's get into it. The launch of the Google Pixel 9 series is expected later this autumn, but the rumor mill is already in overdrive. Recently, a Russian website shared exclusive live images of the Pixel 9 Pro, giving us a first look at what Google might be cooking up. Interestingly, this year, Google might introduce a third model, the Pixel 9 Pro XL. This means the Pixel 9 Pro won't be the largest device in the lineup anymore. The leaked images of the Pixel 9 Pro reveal a redesigned camera layout, featuring a periscope telephoto lens. Shared by Rosette, these images show an oval-shaped camera island, suggesting that Google is moving away from the visor camera module we saw in previous models. In a comparison image, the Pixel 9 Pro is seen next to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The upcoming Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro are expected to be smaller, similar to the iPhone 15 series, while the Pixel 9 Pro XL will sport a larger screen. One of the leaked images shows the Pixel 9 Pro in fast boot mode, revealing some specs: 16 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM from Micron and 128 gigabytes of internal storage. Design-wise, the Pixel 9 Pro features a new pill-shaped camera bar with 3 lenses, a flash, and a cutout that might be for a thermometer. The polished rails with embedded antenna lines are quite prominent, similar to past iPhone Pro models before their transition to titanium. The power button and volume rocker are on the right side, regulatory markings on the left, and the top has an antenna cutout. At the bottom, there's a USB-C port, a speaker, a microphone cutout, and an SIM card slot. Be careful with that SIM card slot to avoid any mishaps. While the official launch is still a month away, remember that the final product may differ from these prototypes. However, these leaks provide an exciting glimpse into what we might expect in October. What do you think about these leaks? Are you excited for the Pixel 9 series? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest tech news. Thanks for watching.